Yesterday, it was reported that Apple is working on a foldable iPhone. With the iPhone, Apple revolutionized mobile phones, transforming them from mere pocketable telephonic devices to mini computers. Foldable phones seem to be the next big thing, and even though Apple hasn't released one so far, numerous patent filings imply that the company is actively considering one. And now, a cryptic tweet by tipster John Prosser suggests that it wouldn't be long before we see a bendable iPhone. Prosser claims that Apple is working on a foldable iPhone, which means it's more a question of when than if. Today, leaker John Prosser has followed up on that rumor by saying that it wouldn't really be a foldable device per se. Rather, Apple is reportedly making a dual-screen device. The displays are supposedly attached by a hinge. The tipster assures that the prototype doesn't look like a bland amalgamation of two iPhones. Instead, when the device is in its unfolded states, the two panels look continuous and seamless. Foldable phones are far from perfect right now. Samsung's first attempt at bendable handsets didn't go too well, but the company has made significant progress since then. Apple is usually not the one to rush products, and according to patents filed by it, it wants to ensure that the bending process doesn't compromise the integrity of the display. Microsoft, and in a way LG, have taken a similar approach. While Microsoft's upcoming Surface Duo features two displays connected by a hinge, some of LG's recent phones are compatible with a dual-screen accessory that adds a secondary display to them. If the thought of a hinge bothers you, let's not forget that even phones with bendable displays, such as the Galaxy Fold, have a crease running down the center of the screen. It's not that glaring, but it's still there. The company's second foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, is also not crease-free, but the crease is far more subtle. Either way, it serves as a reminder that foldable phones have their limitations. And let's not forget the warnings these devices come with, cautioning users to be as gentle as possible. A dual-screen design, such as the one Apple is reportedly considering, seems like a far safer bet. As for other details, Prosser says the device resembles the iPhone 11 in that it has round stainless steel edges. He adds that the prototype doesn't have a notch, and a tiny bezel on the cover display houses Face ID. It's highly unlikely that the dual-screen iPhone would arrive this year. So take these leaks as a pinch of salt. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thanks for watching.